Hi, hello everybody. Um, Today I want to talk about a little mathematics, a few vocabulary for the English interested. So, talking about mathematics, we have a few vocabulary that we use to explain or to say what we're doing with the numbers. So first of all, of course, we have an equation. An equation is when we say 2 plus 2 equals 4. So this is where the word equation comes from. It equates, so both sides are in their value the same. Then of course we do have the the words to add something or to subtract something. So when we say we add 2, we do plus, and if we subtract, we do minus. And we talk about multiplying or dividing things. So multiplying is like taking 2 and make 4, and dividing is the same thing backwards, of course, take it away. And talking about the mathematics, there is also two words that are very important when we talk about a curve. You know, a curve in mathematics where you add one on one side and the outcome on the other side will be different. So we do have two different words for that, and we say it's exponential exponential or linear. So exponential will be if something is adding in value, like on a very explosive way, and linear would be that you add 1 on this side and you add 1 on that side. So that will be a straight line up. And what I wanted you to see is that we do have the exponential curve that goes like this, and we do have the linear curve that goes like a straight line. That's what I was saying. So in linear curve, you add 1 on this side and you add 1 on that side. So it's always kind of a square. The outcome is a square. When we talk about the exponential curve, we add 1, but we get way many more on the outcome. That is what we talk about when we say something is exploding. It's exponential. So now in the situation we're in right now, I felt it is important to explain that the risk of being infected by the virus is not going on a linear curve, but this is going exponential. So I was trying to put that here as a little visual ad. Here in Germany, we do have the regulation that we are not allowed to have contact other than with family, of course, or with one person. If you meet with one person, you have a linear curve, 1 to 1. Of course, this is simply taking it simply because, of course, each of these persons already had contact to other persons, and this person had contact, and you have probably bacteria and viruses from the outside of these two. But that is a mathematic or an equation that we can hardly follow, so we make it easy, and it's still the same outcome, and it is just to visualize the numbers, and that 1 to 1, like what we are allowed to do, is really minimizing the risk of getting infected. If you meet 2 people, so you were this one and you meet 2 people, this is exponential because you don't only exchange with one person but with 2, but these 2 exchange with each other as well. So this is 2 for 6 times that you run the risk of getting infected already. So each time you add another person into your group, you exponentially risking to get infected by the virus. Again, here you have the 3. So now you only have 3 people, but that doesn't mean that you only run the risk to being infected 3 times. No, because you have 3 times, they have 3 times, and they do interact with each other 3 times as well. So that already makes 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 times. And like I said, keep in mind all these people that to simplify the fact, only put as 1, they already had like many other people that they met at work, at family, their boyfriend. So each person that you add to your circle is exponentially higher your risk, but not only your risk, but the risk of the people that you meet or that you come together with. So then you go home and you have mom, dad, and grandma, maybe your sister, and of course you give that on to them too. So what I want to say is that it's not that you think you meet 2 people and you can be infected by 2 people, and 3, it's 3, but it goes in another mathematic way. So it's exploding, so to say. And if you think, yeah, and you make your own decisions, always keep in mind every decision that you make is also having an impact on the people surrounding you. So each decision you make it a responsible one, and keep healthy and strong. Bye-bye.